Hi, Lawyer Gyebo here. Yes, the Kumasi High Court, presided over by Justice Akrofa, only has awarded.
What up, people? What up, people? I'm back again. This is OG Studios. So I'm bringing to you all the informative and very captivating news. You know how me. I always make sure I deliver the best, and nothing can stop me. You know how I do it. So you know what? Don't always forget, because I really need it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Before I tell you the news, I need that subscription. Subscribe now. My goal is for you people to get me to 20k subscribers. Yeah, 20k subscribers by the end of December. So you know what? Let's round it up. Don't forget to share and also leave the thumbs up to help the algorithm to push this video and more. Now, back to the news. These hospitals in Ghana, I don't know. I don't really know. But at least this one, we all know that justice has been served. It has been served in the right way, because now pregnant ladies and women, mothers, are getting scared to even deliver in the hospital due to things that are going on. Yeah, some time ago, this incident happened where this lady named, I say the name quite saying, let me check the name. Yeah, Mabel Mensah. Mabel Mensah, a pregnant woman, went to the hospital to deliver a baby at the Kumasi Juaben Hospital. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. The Juaben Government Hospital in Kumasi. And during when he got there, the doctors found out that the pregnancy was more than the 9 months it's supposed to be. The baby was being kept for more than, I think the baby was in the 10th month, and I think going to the 11th month. So when she got there, the doctors, need to make sure they strike their mind at it. So they decided that they had two options. Either they will take her under the knife, or what do you even call that word? Induced. Yeah, induced labor. I think so. Yeah. So they decided to make sure, okay, then they would rather push the baby by giving this woman, Mabel, tablets. And these tablets were supposed to be taken in 4 different shots. Yeah, so every 4 hours a dosage will be passed. 4 hours a dosage will be passed. The first 4 hours was passed, second one was passed, and there was a shift. Yeah, so the nurses who were taking care, the doctors who were taking care of her need to go, so the next one will come and replace. But it looks like due to some 1 or 2 things, the people who took after the next shift made a mistake and forgot. So in order to cover her tracks and make sure everything goes on well, the nurse decided to overdose the lady, thinking it could work. But when this happened, the lady started bleeding. Yeah, she started bleeding, and unfortunately, the baby suffered, because we all know that there is a tube covering this baby in it, and she's in a form of water abuse. So that thing that helps her to be able to draw energy from the oxygen from the mom and other stuff. But because of the blood in it, yeah, the baby had to suffer a little bit before she got pregnant. So when the baby was finally out to the world, the baby had a problem. And this lady, Mabel Mensah, got annoyed and decided to take the matter to the court. Finally, yeah, the court has brought it verdict. And according to Lawyer Gyebo, yeah, this issue was sent to the Kumasi High Court. Yeah, it came to, after everything, the hearing and everything, they decided to come and clear the air and give us details of what really happened. And this lady, Mabel Mensah, was being compensated by the hospital with a whooping 4.3 million Ghana cedis. 4.3 million Ghana cedis for the damages and other stuff that is going on. You know what? Let me not waste my time, so that you hear the word proper and the intuitus, because there are some things I intentionally left out, so that you can watch the video of Lawyer Gyebo speaking of the case. Let's go and watch that video.
Hi, Lawyer Gyebo here. Yes, the Kumasi High Court, presided over by Justice Akrofa, only has awarded damages to the tune of 4.3 million cedis against the Juaben Government Hospital for negligently handling one Mabel Mensah. Now, the brief background is that Mabel Mensah went to the Juaben Hospital to deliver, and the hospital detected that she's gone past the 9 months. So they had two options: either to induce the pregnancy, induce her to deliver, or to go by cesarean operation, and they opted to induce her. And I think the drug they often resort to is the cytotec drug, and the plan was to break the one tablet down into 4 and administer each component every 4 hours after doing monitoring the fetal heart rate. Now the first one was done, the second one was done, but the subsequent ones were not done. And I think there was a change in shift, and the next morning the midwife came and administered a full tablet, because she wanted to compensate for probably the sections which was not done. And when it happened, it led to uterine rupture and profuse bleeding. So the patient, or the Mabel, was bleeding profusely, and I think in the process the blood actually drowned the baby. The baby drowned his own blood, and because once a baby drowns in the blood, it leads to asphyxiation, which is difficulty in breathing, difficulty in accessing oxygen. Now that led to cerebral palsy. So the baby was born with the cerebral palsy, and the matter was taken to court, and the High Court sided with the patient and awarded damages to the tune of 4 million and cost of 300,000, making a total of 4.3 million. So, ladies and gentlemen, the issue of medical negligence is real, as I keep saying in Ghana. If your right as a patient is breached, you are highly advised not to keep silent, but to explore and test our law. You never know, you could be the next lucky one to win damages to compensate for your loss. Okay, bye for now.
So yeah, this is how it went down. At least one has been said. Now it's left with the people that, because of light out, then they need to take ECG to. Is it ECG they should take them to court, or is the hospital? Because there are incidents that caused babies in the incubator to die, and also at the hospital, one of the hospitals in Accra. That one too is a very serious case. I think that one too should also be dealt with. But all the same, this is a bold step, and this is a win for the mother. We are sorry for her loss though, because the deed is done, but 4.3 million can do something. So this is OG Studios, and this is the news on board. Before I leave, let me take this opportunity to introduce to you one of the best media houses when it comes to video shoot, photography, whether you want a birthday shoot, you want someone to come and cover your events, everything, even live streamings, they are very about it. They go by the name Oasis Multimedia. Their numbers will be up on the screen. Don't forget, I'll be back with more news, and when I come, I'll be serving with the right news. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back. Peace out.